Wait, you might be thinking what I'm doing. So let me just drop this, it is very heavy. So I'm just carrying my uncompleted task from 2020 to 2021.
Srijan,
Yes, I'm coming. Watch this video until end. Hello guys, myself Srijan. Welcome to Career Consult channel. You might be having the same situation as I am having. Actually, I thought of booking Godrej in order to carrying my uncompleted task to 2021. But fortunately, I got a book called Eat That Frog. Definitely, I am a vegetarian, I can't eat frog, but it is the name of that book. So in this video, you will be getting the summary of that book. About 75% of people fail to complete the task due to the procrastination. So what is this procrastination? Procrastination in simple word means carrying the today's work to the tomorrow. It is one of the biggest problem which is blocking us from going towards the success. In this video, I will be going to provide 8 tips which will be going to help you to overcome procrastination and to unblock your journey towards this success. And happy new year to all of my family members and also to your family members. Comment down what are your new year resolutions. Before moving on, YouTube analytics tells me a surprising thing that 70% of people who watches my video are not subscribed. So I would like to convey that YouTube doesn't charge you money to subscribe. If you like, share, comment and subscribe, then definitely that will be going to motivate the creators to create more useful videos. So please hit like and also subscribe this channel if you are watching this channel without subscribing my channel, and also share this video with all of your friends. Without wasting time, let's get started with the 8 tips which will going to help you overcome the procrastination. First tip is the clarity. What's the time, man? Oh no, 11 a.m. What's the problem? I don't have any plans also. I still have some hope. Let me just check with the news. Is there any news of promoting us again? Let me just check. What? Exams will be conducted from February 21.
Music.
So you might have seen the video. If you don't know what you have to do tomorrow, then definitely your scenario will be like that. Everyone is having 24 hours daily. You can't become a doctor and engineer at the same time. You have to choose your profession with complete clarity. So if you don't have the clarity, then if the people criticize you, then you will step out from the task which you are doing. Having clarity is really very important to overcome the procrastination, because if you don't have the clarity, then you will be definitely going to waste your time. So this is the first tip. So now let's go to the second tip. Plan every day in advance. So it is similar to the first tip, because you will be having the complete clarity of what you will be doing tomorrow. I already explained the importance of the planning, but in this video I would like to provide some more tips. So you can use ABCDE method. So what is that method? So I will explain that with simple example. So you can see this list of tasks on the screen. So these are the tasks which I have to do today. But I am completely confused with which task I should start. And I will put A in front of the most important task, and B in front of the more important task, C in front of the less important task, and D in time wasting task. I just categorized my task in this ABCD method. Now I give priority to the important task by providing the numbers in that. So if A1 is there, then it is the most important task and you should finish that at first. So that's about the second tip. Now let's go to the third tip. Practice creative procrastination. So in the same list, you might have seen that there are some less important tasks and time wasting tasks. So I can procrastinate. So what is procrastination? So procrastination means carrying out today's task to tomorrow. So I can procrastinate. There is no need for me to do less important tasks, because I can't do each and every task daily. But most of the people, what they does means they procrastinate the most difficult task, which in turn will be most important task. So it will be going to hinder their growth and their success. So if you really want to use this procrastination, then just procrastinate the less important tasks and time wasting task. So this is the third tip. Now let's go to the fourth tip. Prepare thoroughly before you begin. Today I will be going to finish this project completely. So let me just check whatever the change I need to do for this website. So yeah, I need to change this. Where's the pen? Where's the pen? I think it will be outside. So we'll just cut it out. Yes, I got the pen. Let me just cut it out.
A few moments later.
I'm feeling somewhat thirsty. Let me just go and drink some water and come. Totally refreshed. Now I don't go outside before finishing this project. I will go outside after finishing this project.
10 seconds later.
I think I need to go to toilet.
Oh no!
I think you can relate this scenario with your life. So don't do like that. Have everything with yourself which is needed to complete that task. It will help you to be more focused, and also it will help you to finish that task as soon as possible. So this is the fourth tip. Now let's go to the fifth tip. Fifth tip is slice and dice the task. If you are planning to climb the Mount Everest, then you won't make it in a single take. So you will take some break and then you restart your journey and you restart to climb that Mount Everest. Similarly, break down the complex task into small piece of task. So it will be easy for you to take simple task and to do that, because majority of people are having a starting problem. So they are planning and everything they are doing, but they are not going to execute that because they fear. While seeing, oh, I need to do that much big. To do that much big, you have to start from here. Now let's go to the sixth tip. Upgrade your skills. Don't feel you know everything, because each and every second a new information will be arising which you definitely don't know. So keep learning. And if you are really interested in HTML, CSS and PHP and connecting with the database and all of that, then I am creating a playlist especially for that. So in that you will be learning that database management and how to connect with the local server, each and everything in a complete detail and also in an entertained way. So you can't get that anywhere in the YouTube. So if you want to learn and educate yourself along with the entertainment, then just go to that playlist. You will be getting the videos according to that, so you can get educated yourself and also entertained in the same time. This is the sixth tip. Now let's go to the seventh tip. Seventh tip is use your smartphone smartly. You might be wasting your hours and hours of time on social media without getting any benefit, and it might also disturb you when you are working. You are trying to focus on your work, you will be getting distracted if a Facebook message or WhatsApp message comes. So for that, what you can do, you can just turn on the do not disturb mode in the mobile, and you can work for hours and hours with complete focus without getting disturbed. And the last and final eighth tip is motivate yourself. So when you are starting or creating some new thing, then the percent of people who will be motivating you will be in 0 or 0.1. So at that time you need to motivate yourself and you have to believe in yourself. So these are the 8 tips which will help you to overcome the procrastination. And if you want to know more about the tips to overcome the procrastination, you can read this Eat That Frog book. And this time you don't need to pay even a single rupees to this book. What you have to do means you just need to join my Telegram group. So any of the Telegram group you can join, and I will be posting that ebook for free. Before winding up, Happy New Year to all. Hoping you can enter 2022 like this.